I am becoming the highest version of myself. And with every breath, every thought, and every step, I attract the abundance that is my divine birthright. I am a magnet for prosperity, drawing wealth and opportunities to me with ease. Money flows to me like water cascading down a hill, effortlessly finding its way to me, its current growing stronger and richer as it moves. I see my income rising like the tide of an ocean, constantly replenishing, never running dry. It is fluid, it is constant, and it is abundant. I see my wealth accumulating brick on brick on brick, building a multi-story tower that reaches ever higher toward the heavens. Each brick represents a new opportunity, a new success, a new layer of financial security that I am grounded in. My foundation is solid, my tower unshakable, and it rises with grace and power. I see my bank account swelling up like a helium balloon released into the sky, soaring freely, rising higher and higher with no limits to its ascent. I watch as it climbs, light as air, filled with abundance, gaining altitude and potential every moment. There is no ceiling, no boundary to the blessings that are on their way to me. My resources grow steadily, like snow accumulating in a mountain town during a powerful blizzard. Each snowflake an opportunity, a resource, a blessing falling into my life and piling up, covering the ground with a soft blanket of wealth, ease, and joy. As the snow falls, my wealth rises, growing more abundant with each passing moment until it blankets every part of my life. I am in alignment with the highest flow of divine abundance, and I know that everything I need is already on its way to me. As I expand, the universe responds in kind, bringing me all that I desire and more. I receive my blessings with gratitude, knowing that they are already mine, that they are flowing to me naturally, like the effortless rhythm of the seasons changing, like the spring that follows winter. My wealth, success, and purpose come into full bloom. Like the sun that always rises, my opportunities are eternal, guaranteed, and plentiful. I am a magnet for abundance, for wealth, for luxury, for peace, and it is coming to me now. I trust in the divine timing of my life, knowing that every moment is perfectly orchestrated for my growth, and I calmly welcome each new blessing with open arms. And so it is.